Punitin mo. Sige. Hindi naman kasi gano'n. Hanggang. Hanggang yun.
Oh, yeah.
Then, lagyan mo.
Secret. We could get this or this, the 1% chance.
Close your eyes and then open it. Yan. Close your eyes. And then open it.
Oh!
Yung gusto mo agad. Pero,
I get now, Papa.
ang galing naman Aya yung gusto mo pa yung nakuha.